As I always do with my construction videos, I start out at my house and then I head across just to show that it's on the other side of the fence. I mean, I've made with my drones, I've made range tests, cactus plants. I've done videos of spring growth and flooded washes and fire damage. But the one thing that there's plenty of down here in Arizona is construction. So anyway, there's not a lot of other subject matter. But this road right here has been in question for several months. Back in 2017, we received an email that they were going to start construction on the other side of the fence, and you could see that arrow there shows what that road that I was referring to. And I kept, as I made more videos, I thought, is that road going to come out up there? Because it follows that pipeline, I think. Or is it going to come out someplace else? And so I just kept watching the videos. There's an opening out onto the street down below, but you're supposed to have at least two places to exit a neighborhood, just like we have where I live, and I think everybody else. And it turns out that gate that turns out onto the road is going to be a gated community, according to what that looks like. And this is kind of just an overview of how things look right now. And as I swing around here, I just made this video the other day. And that area there, straight up ahead, after this construction project got started, we received another email that there was going to be construction taking place where you see the arrow going back and forth. And we got this thing in the mail, and it looked like this. And as you can see, and these are all rentals. That's the AutoZone auto parts store, which I always have a picture of as I swing around. But the yellow, these are all rentals, and the yellow guys are two-bedroom rentals, and the blue guys are single-rented rentals. And so it was totally confusing to how they're going to fit this into that little area there. And so we just kept waiting to see, and as construction came along, I didn't get any answers because that seems to be in the way until you turn it upside down. When you turn it upside down, you can kind of, now you're looking the same direction as we did on the other drawing, and look at that. Those two roads are going to connect. And so the construction that's taking place right now is, far as I can tell, is going to be like a gated community. And they said that the new construction is going to be a gated community also. So here's this one, and then if you take a look at the new one that they're planning, that's how they exit the area to get out of there, and that makes that top right there at the top of that is the gate. Looks like a gated area there. So there will be two exits to be able to get away from either of those, to get out of either of those construction projects. I don't think they're being done by the same contractor. I think it's two different contractors, but it looks like they've got it figured out. And so now I've got a lot more construction to take pictures of. I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.